I think there is a wide range of opportunities in this region, and the more we expose the challenges, as you have done in this of solutions of how to tackle these challenges, and that really brings up more opportunities to the surface. I would say, speaking from my organization, ARUP, this region forms the profit of about, let's say, 40% of ARUP, and ARUP is of 250 offices all around the world, so 40% just from this region is a huge chunk. Well, we are participating in Qatar Faculty of Islamic Studies in Qatar, that belongs to Qatar Foundation. We are participating in UAE Expo of 2020. We participated in the planning of Abu Dhabi Metro. We have a contribution in many projects around with Dubai airports. We are participating in Abu Dhabi airport. So I can keep counting. Every region has its own challenges, and now it depends how you deal with these challenges. And the more you get experience with this region, and it's all about understanding the culture and the background of the region, the more you get to know how to deal with these challenges. And actually, instead of putting the word challenges, they become more of amusements. That's, yes, I'm up to this job because it should not be easy. By all means, there will be a huge change in trends. I would see this region actually is a good ground for innovation, for testing solutions, because it's very perceptive for solving problems. And the more innovative, and I would use innovation as a key word here, while innovation is a bit skeptical to test in old established cities and in old established regions, this region is still young and is still thirsty for innovation. Well, I think whether we say it needs or needs not, there are changes, and the balance in changing, right? And if you look in the span of 20 years, there's a huge balance and change, and a paradigm shift, I would call it. I look around in my office or in meetings I attend. If I ask my colleagues who are 20 or years older than me, they say they can attend a meeting where she's the only woman in the room. But now you attend a meeting and you see, out of, let's say, 10 men, there are 2-3 women. So it is speaking out. Because I like the aspirational of it. I come from a strange background, to be honest. I studied 2 years of mechanical engineering before architecture, and it's all about the ability of making. I left mechanical engineering because I couldn't get into aircraft engineering for some cultural reasons again, and joined architecture just for the very essence of being able to make and to innovate and to introduce solutions to problems. Actually, there should not be a problem. There's only how you can improve a state of a space. By all means, what you're doing is really not just connecting architects. You're connecting ideas, and you're connecting all kinds of diverse professionals. Now, even among us as architects, we are different. So there's an architect who's creative and he knows how to do new things, but there's an architect who knows how to build things and he knows how to tackle them from a business point. Putting all this diversity together among architects, and then on a wider spectrum among manufacturers, we get to know what's in the market. We get to know who can do what. If I have an idea, who can build it for me? Of course, you're doing all that in a very simple, nice avenue event. Yes, I have enjoyed. Have you seen inside the room, I did have a controversy position with one of the panels, but that's fine. I think we only progress by being different. By nodding heads and being similar to each other, we will not progress. By all means, I would love to.